Hey, boys and girls, it's Mrs. McCabe checking in live from the guidance office. I have to tell you, this is the messy section of my office here. I'm starting to collect quite a stock of prizes for the carnival and getting all of the games ready. It's just been really wild in the guidance office getting ready. You'll notice I got my buddy here, Taco, for Cinco de Mayo. Taco is my bud, and he's going to be here with me talking about another unboxing. I got Mr. Valentine back there, too. Kindergartners, you remember Mr. Valentine, the kindest ape in the land, right? Tickle, tickle. So, we've got a few buddies here with me today. Without any further ado, I think we should see which box won the drawing. Well, you'll notice one box isn't there. We've got 1, 2, 3. I'm kind of like right in the way. 4, but guess what box is missing? Oh. 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 Taco, I need your wing. I think I lost Taco. Taco's down. Taco! 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 I got you, Taco. I'm here to the rescue, Taco. All right, Taco. Oh. Oh. We got a lot going on in here in the guidance office. All right, Taco. Taco needed some extra seating. There we go. Box number. You saw it here first. Box number 5. That's the box that won. It got the most votes from Crestwood students from classrooms, actually by quite a bit. It won in a landslide. You did box number 5. There were many classes that wanted box number 5. I think I even have a total. Let me grabby. Here we go in my file. Number 5 box had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 votes. 6 votes for box number 5, followed by box number 3, 4, and 2. So, without any more time messing around, let's look at box number 5 for the Cadet Pride Carnival. Dun, 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 the Cadet Pride Carnival on May 20th. Prizes earned by Cadet Pride behavior, respectful, responsible, caring, trustworthy friends. Keep earning those by showing your awesome Cadet Pride. Okay, box number 5. Now, it is pre-opened because Callie in the office, when I get a box of things that are ordered for me, notice, oh my gosh, my name on there, Mrs. McCabe right there. She has to open it and check to make sure that the items were delivered. So she opened it. I did not look inside of it. She had to look inside to make sure what was there. So this is a true unboxing. I do not know what is in this box, but it is open. And Mrs. Fregis is probably really glad it's pre-open because last time she told me that I cut the box open the wrong way and it was a little dangerous. Okay, so Mrs. Fregis, I'm safe. I'm fine. It's pre-cut. We're good. All right, so let's open her up. Not that we might not need some scissors inside here, but we'll see. All right, box item number 1 inside box number 5 for those that voted for box number 5. Oh, the first one is a must. It's a must in the world of, and it's heavy, slime. That's right, we've got slime. Galaxy Slime Kit. Okay, this is already kind of got a great package, great coloring, right? Very aesthetically pleasing. Let's see how many or what is in here. Oh, Mrs. Fregis, I do need the scissors. I think these were Belle's scissors from kindergarten. They're super cute. I think they have like little squishmallows on them. So they're like the little safety scissors from Mrs. Franzen's class. Okay. Oh yeah. Little containers of slime. This one I really like the colors. You get the gold and like a cool silver and a beautiful emerald. So it's like a mix of 3 colors. The other color combo is a fancy pink, purple, and then there's some white glitter in there. So those are the 2 options. And it is filled. It is filled. And you know where you're going to find these? I'm going to put these, I'm just going to tell you. I'm going to put them at Pick the Nose because it looks kind of like boogers. Boogers. So yeah, so you pick the nose. Out comes the slime. So these are definitely, if you're thinking, I'm a slime kind of gal or fella, I would go to Pick the Nose because that's where these are going to go. And I know now why this box was so heavy, because I have a lot of slime. Yes, a lot of slime inside box number 5. Galaxy slime. Very heavy. 116 pieces in each box. Ooh. Oh, that's a lot of slime. Okay, what's next? Let's see. Well, I don't know. This box is white, but that's what makes it fun, because you don't know what's going to be in here. It's kind of making some noises. Oh boy, this is cool. I don't even remember ordering this. Okay, so it's an egg, and it's kind of like got a lot of like texture to it, like a 3D egg, but there's no way I would have ordered one item, because that just wouldn't be a good deal for my bang for my buck. Boom, boom. There's a secret opening on the bottom. Oh, see it? I twisted it, I turned it, I twisted it, I opened it. Oh. It's 3D little buddies. Can you see that? So we've got like a Nemo. Oh, they're collectibles. There's a giraffe, the 3D. Oh, an alligator. Oh, I love this one. I love it, I love it, I love it. A little black kitty. Meow. Oh, this reminds me of the assembly. Da 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 da. A shark. We'll do one more. Oh, I got to do this one. I'm digging deep. I see a pig, but I don't want that one. He's cute. Don't get me wrong, but I really want this one. Oh my goodness. Of course I want it and I can't get it out. Okay. A little hedgehog. He's got a cute little body on him. There we go. He's so cute. And I'm going to turn this very carefully. It is full. It's absolutely... Look at the turtle. Oh my gosh, I gotta show you the turtle. Oh my goodness, look at him. Oh my goodness, and his body parts really move. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the cow. My daughter would love this. My big daughter. Look, how many of you love cows? Moo, 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 moo. I do, I do. Oh my goodness. These are amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay. So we're gonna put these back in here. I may not get them back in the egg. Nope, I didn't. Look. So we're going to work on that a little later. The old hedgehog doesn't want to go back in the egg. So we'll have to figure that out. We're not going to take any more time on that. Put that off to the side. Again, there's the egg. It's like a cornucopia of little friends coming out. If you're not sure what a cornucopia is, your teachers will talk to you about it. Thanksgiving time. All right, another mystery box. It's black. It's cute. What could be in it? I do not have to cut it open. It's open. Let's look inside. This was also in box number 5. Oh, same kind of idea. I must have thought these were really interesting because I ordered more, but these are clever. They're more like iridescent. Same kind of figures. Really cool. Well, it's a jellyfish. I'm going to turn it in. These are bigger. These are definitely bigger. Maybe a different machine made these. I think I got an idea off this because I feel like Lexi from Mrs. Moeller's class had a cool dragon made out of these. And I thought, well, that would be something really cool for the carnival. Oh, yeah, because there's a 3-part hedgehog. It's just a little, they're just a little bit bigger. And you got, oh, look at that. A whole collection. Got me. Whole collection of buddies. Ooh, look at him. Oh, my gosh. I seen you. Don't be crabby. All right. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of those. Again, unboxing, but I got that one closed. Back to the boxing. Back inside. Let's dive in. All right, we're diving in. Mini stuffies, always a plus. Oh, this is already like little pup. Little chick. Mini stuffies. Cow. A little hippo. I didn't know the hippo was so fierce in real life, but you are. You're still cute. Let's see here. Oh, like a cheetah, leopard. What's this one? Oh, little mousy. So there is a whole grouping of these. It's stuffed full of little stuffies, little mini stuffies that could go on your bag. They have little circular ends, and there are many more other little friends. There's a lion there. I can see some other great buddies like a giraffe and a piggy and a teddy bear. So all sorts of little stuffies. Oh, I love them. I love anything stuffy. Okay, next is this little pouch of something. There are 2 of these little pouches. I'm getting excited. And this little pouch here, it feels gooey. It feels kind of slimy. Oh, yes. Squishies. I'm just going to open this up so you can see this little fella better. Let's just open him up. We're not messing around. We're going to open him up. A little Ceratops. And then there's like little bubbles, little nodules, little... You know more than I do. Squishy. It's squishy. Let's just say it that way. It's a squishy. We got that shape. We got another... They look to be dinos. Dynamite. Hey, would you like me? Come to the Cadet Pride Carnival. You can win me with 1 Cadet Pride back. Oh, this one is... Oh, he's adorable. He's a keeper. You're a little keeper, aren't you? You're just so cute. Yes, you are. Look at that little friend. Check me out. Yeah, so there's a whole bunch of... Ooh, this one's cool. This one is saying, hey, Mrs. McCabe, I'm your type. You'll see why when I pull it out. It's like a little whale goldfish. Like, I don't know why, but I am. Just like, I just want to put you right on my shoulder. Yeah, just be on my... Oh, you didn't want to stay there. That's okay. Hold on. We're going to rescue him. Here he is. Oh, you might fit my earring. Go for a little spin. Woo! All right, I'm having too much fun with these little guys. So these little friends will also be at the carnival. They might be really nice to come out of the pick the nose too. I don't know, because they're kind of gummy and squishy. Love them. There are 2 bags of those, and they feel really, they have a nice squishy. Nice squish, 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 squish. And I don't think a high rate of exploding, which is a big deal. Okay, next box. The Candy Man. Yep, we got some candy. We've got gummy bears. Again, tasty and squishy, but edible. All right, so we got a whole bag of those. 75 bags of gummy bears. So we got that. We got gummy bears. All right, we got another box. I don't know what this mystery box is. It says small parts. So we'll see what is in here. There we go. Too cool. All right. I had no idea. Okay. I'm going to put one on. Yes, it's puts on. And then... Bracelet. Very long. Nice size for the money. Soft. Plushy. Seriously. I mean, not hard. That's why I'm doing that. It's soft. Okay. Could be a cool stick, but also... Okay. That... Also an accessory. Kind of looks really good with my shirt today. Hey, yeah, it's me. It's me. You like my accessory? Got it at the Cadet Pride Carnival. Yeah, Cadet Pride bucks. Okay. Now these friends come in bing, bang, boom, wallakazoo.